What's good, fam? Welcome back to J-Russ TV. If you're new to my channel, hit that like, comment, subscribe. We cover all things business, investing, and sneakers. If you're returning, appreciate you tuning in. We're going to go ahead and get into it. Stock portfolio update. These stocks will create millionaires. No cap. But it depends if you put $100 in a month, $1,000 in a month, or 100 grand in a month. That's what make the difference. Let's go ahead and get into it. Y'all know I like to start off with the fear and greed index just to see where we at right now in the market. And right now we're at greed. I've been tuning in and keeping up to my videos, attending class early. A couple months ago, we was in extreme fear. Extreme fear. We're back at greed now. That's crazy. As far as the VIX right now, we're at 20. Not the lowest we've been in May, but creeping, not as high as we was, 52. Hope y'all was mine, man. Hope y'all was mine. If y'all was following me these past couple months, and if you just took a risk and just decided to throw a couple $100 on some stocks I was invested in, you would have been up crazy right now. I'm not gonna lie. You would have been up a good return on investment. So of course, do your due diligence. And I'm not a stock advisor. I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research. But you would have had a nice little return on this bounce, to be honest with you. Now, to get into the portfolio, it's going to be a quick video today. About to be out of town, so I just want to get this out for y'all. As far as the portfolio, on the day, we're down 0.15%. On the week, we're down roughly 5%. On the month, we are up 14%. So like I said, off of them lows, we came back. So that's good, making good progress back. 3 months, I'm up about 5.5%. Year to date, I'm just broke even year to date. So that's progress. If you haven't following, we was down a lot. So I broke progress a little bit. We were up a little bit, but the market tanked to the Moody's report credit rating or something like that. All good though. We keep buying dollar cost averaging. Year over year, I'm up roughly 3%. All the time, I'm up roughly 9%. Some buys that I've been doing. The major buys I think I did recently was really AMD. I bought more AMD just due to let's see, should I show you? I put extra $22 in AMD. Actually, $32 in AMD. I put extra $32 in AMD plus my recurring investment. So it brought my average down a little bit to, where's it at? 117. AMD's back at 110. You know what I mean? If y'all was following, AMD was in the 80s, bruh. 78. $78. And it's still, right now, it's still a buy in my opinion. AMD is still a buy. I still haven't sold it. I still see me dollar cost average down. HIMS, I've been buying more HIMS. They kind of cooled off a little bit, took a little hit the other week, but it's cool. I'm still DCAing into HIMS as well. I don't show the last purchase I did. Just a dollar. It's just been regular dollar cost average, really, like $5 a week. That's mainly what I've been doing. Just been DCAing into the rest of these positions, mainly AMD and HIMS. I did add some. I thought I added yeah, I did. I'm doing Nvidia and I'm doing Meta too. So just going to be continuing to dollar cost averaging those as of right now. And yeah, slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race. You don't want to rush into the stock market. Like I said, you can like I've been saying on your channel, guys, you can invest with $5 a month, $10 a month, $100 a month. There's no set minimum amount. A lot of people say I don't have enough money to invest right now, but you can invest with couple dollars. You know what I mean? People spend $20 to $30 on food a week or little stuff, Target runs. You can do that in the market. Every dollar gonna matter in the end. I'm telling you, every dollar gonna matter in the end. Like I've been building this account for probably I don't know, 3 years now. I've been building this account for about 2-3 years now, and we still getting there. I opened it, yeah, October 2023. So a year and a half, to be honest with you. Ain't been that long. A year and a half, yeah, 8 months. So you just gotta keep stacking, put what you can in there, little by little, man. But these stocks right here will create millionaires. Now, which one I think will have the best return over the next year? That's hard. I'm not gonna lie. Hems might go crazy. Hems might go crazy. Hems may go crazy. AMD are, I mean, Nvidia had a OC run already. Do I see it doing what it did the past 2 years or so? Not really. I can see AMD possibly doing that. You know what I mean? CEOs just bought some more of their stock a couple weeks if you've been following them. What else is happening? They did a major $10 billion stock buyback as well, AMD. So that shows, and insiders, workers only buy for one reason. They believe the stock price is going higher. So if that's the clear sign, I don't know what is. You know what I mean? But yeah, hope I got good value out this video. Yeah, I hope you got great value of this video. Just a quick little stock portfolio update. What's been happening in the market. Things are still trending upwards, in my opinion. Some slight setbacks, but we don't know what the tariff situation is going to be these next couple of 6 months. What I'm doing is just not allocating as much cash heavy as I was during the dip. Just slow and steady right now. If I see any other major dips, I'm gonna continue to add heavy into my AMD, my HEMS, NVIDIA, all these stocks you see right here. Continue to add to those DCA. May open some new positions later this year. You know, some new positions I've been adding to more in the private portfolio that's been doing well. But for the public right here, we're just going to stay consistent with our strategy, long-term investing. None of this gets rich quick. A lot of people been hitting me up too. Like, John, what's some quick plays I can come up with? And I keep telling them I don't have quick plays. My whole strategy is long-term investing. Long-term, 3 to 5 years plus, really 10, 20 years. But right now, long-term, 3 to 5 years. I'm 25 right now. I'm trying to set myself good when I'm 30. It's slow and steady. I'm not looking for quick fix. Now, do I have other plays that I do quick flips? Yes, I do. But this is years after accumulating, a nice next egg. So, and I got a little experience. I'm not crazy experienced, but I got a little something. So I can take some risks on certain things, but average person, just stack your money, keep putting money in every week. I buy every Monday and Friday. I buy when it's high, I buy when it's low. When it's low, I add even more. And as simple as that. Find